This is Saxon 4, Lesson 47, Relating Multiplication and Division, Part 1, or Part 2, sorry. This is very similar to last lesson, only we're looking much more and much briefly at the writing division and writing multiplication. So if you're given the numbers 3, 5, and 15, and you're asked, write me 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts. This is a fact family for multiplication and division. Just like we do for addition and subtraction, we start by looking at them and saying, okay, well, 3 times 5 is 15. There's a multiplication fact. My second multiplication fact is nice and simple. I just switch these two around because 5 times 3 is still 15. For division, I always have to start with the biggest number, just like subtraction. So it's going to be 15 divided by, let's say 3 equals 5. And for the last one, I just switch it around. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. There are 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts for 3, 5, and 15. Remember, for division, just like in multiplication, you have to make sure your biggest number is first. Okay? You can't divide 3 into 15 pieces. There's only 3. So you're taking 15 and dividing it into 3 pieces, or 15 and dividing it into 5 pieces. Just like for multiplication over here, only the 3 and the 5 are here. The biggest number is here. Okay, these are the biggest numbers. If this is not the biggest number, then your question won't work. Okay, let's take a look at one more. Remembering for division, so a quick just check in with division. Remember with division, if you have something like this, what this says is 8 into one group. Okay, 8 divided by 1 is 8 things into one group, which means the answer is 8. Okay, and again, you can use a multiplication chart to find that, because if you looked at 8s, okay, or if you looked at the ones, okay, and you said, hey, when do I get 8? And you find 8 and you go up and you go, oh, hey, 8 times 1 is 8. Okay, remember that relationship. This number times your quotient equals your dividend. Okay, there's that lovely relationship going on. Also, remember for this lesson, because it does go over it, there are 3 different ways to write division. There is 24 divided by 6, 24 divided by 6, and 24 divided by 6. Okay, it does go over that again in this lesson and asks you to do it a couple of times. So just remember that those are the 3 different ways you can do division. Other than that, remember your relationship. This number times the quotient will make this number. So to find the answer here, the quotient, I can look at 6's, go along until I hit 24, go up and see what my answer is. Okay, use your multiplication chart if need be. That is lesson 47, reading multiplication and division, or relating multiplication and division, part 2.